Hi, I want to show you our new chat widget. The day that I put it on, it was about 11 o'clock on a Sunday night, and by noon on Monday, we had somebody who had a whole conversation with the chatbot and then joined the practice. When we ended up calling her to schedule, our assistant said that she knew so much about the practice, it made it very easy for her because she didn't have to answer a bunch of questions. All the questions had been taken care of in the chatbot. So let's ask, do you take my insurance? This is the question you always get. And here we go. The chatbot's going to answer, and you can tell it exactly how you want this kind of question answered. So this is pretty much how we answer this question. You don't need insurance. What about hospital care? And here's not included. Then we'll go through your insurance. And let's see, just want to show you how it's going to ask for information. We always ask the bot to clarify that we charge a monthly membership fee, just because people sometimes still slip by and get into the meet and greet and they are shocked that they're going to pay an additional fee above their insurance. So it's going to take information. Let's go with, this is our dog, Apollo Mars. Email, phone number. Sure, keep the same ones. So what happens after this? Here's the email, and it says, welcome, we're going to contact you to schedule your meet and greet. And also, we put in the phone number in here so that they know to look for it, because so many people just don't answer their phone anymore. And that's how it works. Let me know if you want to book a demo call, because this is something that is super easy to get installed on your website while you're seeing patients. If you're still working out your fee-for-service job, or if you're just starting out and you're busy and you're with patients, it's nice to have this because it is answering all those questions that you are going to get many, many times. And that takes it off you. And then when they do end up talking to you, just like our assistant said, these potential patients are already well versed in what DPC is, and they understand how your practice works, which saves you a ton of time. So contact me to get set up for a demo. Thanks.